much as it calls for a feminist self-determination. It wasn't her honor that she was protecting. She said, I don't want to do it. I determine my future. Sonbai asserts that she would not have sex with the Subadar even if her husband told her to, indicating that for her it wasn't a matter of virtue, but that of self-respect and self-determination. You will remember, they come and tell her, we will talk to him. We will make him accept that you had sex because of the village. It's going to be okay. We will do the talking to you, you'll be fine. Her point was, I'm not having sex because I don't want to. That is it. She made it clear that no matter what her social location was, nobody could tell her who she could have sex with. It would have been very easy for Sonbai's character to slip into the patriarchal notion of it. A villager comments how these men who decided to give Sonbai away probably wore bangles. Again, they are feminized, end quote. This discursive struggle is furthered in the individual male responses that we find in this film. The image of a corrupt and manipulative religion is evoked in the person of the Pandit, who tries to convince Sonbai to go to the Subadar, and he claims, he tries to persuade her, sex and pleasure are just moh maya. So, she will not be blamed or tainted, as he convinces her, if she does have sex with the Subadar after all. The Pandit clearly disregards the fact that while he's advocating for a denouncement of her autonomy, and a forced violation of her rights, while he advocates for the present you with a global context, the theoretical perspective, the feminist scaffolding, superstructure. Then we would analyze the literary or the text. We would do the cultural textual analysis of the film, which would be mine, and then we would go to our third speaker. We have timed ourselves, so do not think that this is like 3 speeches. Oh God, I have to sit through 3 hours of it. No, I am very aware of the younger, youthful audience who are, moved by social media, and their attention span is short. I realize that. So it is not 3 lectures. It is 1 lecture. We have timed ourselves and divided the time. So the third speaker is going to be speaking about the topic in terms